Do you feel short of marketing ideas for your small-scale business? You cannot ignore social media platforms in this digital age, and why should you when they have too much to offer? Hi there, and welcome to Digital Media Run. The audience today prefers fast-paced, short-form videos that are entertaining, educational, and get straight to the point. And Instagram Reels is all about it. If you are looking to pitch clients in the most effective way possible, it is important you understand Instagram Reels. So, in this video, we will help you map out a plan to work with Instagram Reels for your business. Let us begin with, what is an Instagram Reel? These are small-sized videos of 60 seconds that you can post on your feed, on the Reels feed, or publicly. Many non-conventional businesses are widely using them for their effectiveness in advertising campaigns. The three main principles of a reel are: 1. It should be entertaining. 2. It should be comprehensive and convey your message. 3. And lastly, it should be lucrative to attract customers to your profile. Moving towards the main part of the video, we have different types of reels and ideas to promote your business. Starting with the musical or entertaining reels, in these reels, you simply use audio from a TV show or a movie and tag an advertisement campaign along with it. The audio doesn't have to be related to your product or message, but it should be something melodious or good to hear. You can choose a trending song on SoundCloud or Spotify. Going with audio that is trending on TikTok is also a very cool idea. Today, a lot of food product companies and makeup brands hire influencers to make tutorials of this sort. The next type is the informative reel. These reels provide value to your business and are made with a plan to spread general awareness among the public about an issue and help them find a solution through your products. For example, if you sell diet drinks, you can share 3 popular tricks for weight loss. With informative reels, it is important to begin with an effective hook. The third type is the duet reels, where you can link your reels with someone else's, and they can both be informative and entertaining. People today have some innovative ways of making duets. In many cases, they would select a random reel and make theirs as the second part of it, or would make a reel in response to something said in the selected reel. These can become highly popular, especially in the form of memes. In this way, you can make a duet with an already popular reel and relate it to your business to help it grow. Bottom line, the only way you can come across innovative ideas is by looking at what others are posting and noting doing what you find humorous and can use for your business. Stay in touch with the Instagram trends and you will be good to go.